This is Tony. Tony is a dispute management analyst at Microsoft. Tony works closely with Microsoft customers to resolve any disagreements or disputes with their invoices that they received from Microsoft using SAP Dispute Management System. As part of dispute resolution, Tony communicates with many stakeholders both within and outside of Microsoft who are involved in different aspects of the dispute. This may include the customer, tax team, business development team, and many more teams. It takes a lot of coordination, and the relevant discussions are captured as part of case notes in the dispute management system. But this creates a problem for Tony. With so many notes in dispute case, it takes a long time for Tony or another dispute analyst to go through all of them to review and understand the current case situation, especially if they are coming back to the case after some time. Imagine reading through pages and pages of notes before you can help make progress in a dispute resolution. Introducing AI-assisted dispute case summarization. With AI-assisted summarization, with the click of a button, the notes are quickly summarized and presented to the analyst for review and recap, saving a lot of time, prevents monotony, increasing the accuracy, and ultimately resulting in the analyst's ability to handle more cases and increasing Microsoft revenue. This AI automation uses Azure OpenAI as well as AI SDK for SAP as the underlying technology. AI SDK for SAP allows seamless integration of ABAP programming language with AI engines like Azure OpenAI or OpenAI. When the user clicks on Summary button, the ABAP layer interacts with this AI SDK for SAP and generates a prompt. AI SDK for ABAP sends this prompt to AI engine, in this case Azure OpenAI, which then generates this summarization. The generated summary is made available back in SAP thanks to the use of AI SDK for ABAP and its easy integration with the ABAP layer. Let's now see all this in action with a system demo. In SAP, we will look at a dispute case, summarize the notes, and review the results. We are in SAP, and we'll begin by going to dispute management. So I have triggered the transaction. This is the SAP dispute management transaction. Here, we are going to open up a case. And there are a lot of attributes for the case, but what we are interested in is what are the things that are captured in the case as part of the interactions between the dispute analyst and the stakeholders. So those details are captured in notes section of the dispute case. So if I pull this up, there were a lot of interactions and there's a number of pages of notes in this dispute case. So if I have to understand what the current state of this dispute case is, I'll have to laboriously go through each of these details, whatever is captured here, and then build a picture in my mind on what the current state of this dispute case is. That's where it takes time, it's laborious, it's monotonous, and it prevents the dispute analyst from attending to other cases because of the time that it takes. So, we employ AI for doing this job. With a click of a button, and this is custom ABAP code, we request AI engine to generate a summary based on all these notes. So I'm going to do that now. So I've clicked on that dispute summary. And as you can see, in a few seconds, it has generated a summary of this notes. So this text, the summary, is generated from all that note that we saw earlier. So if we don't like this or we don't fully understand this, we can regenerate by clicking this, and it'll the AI engine will generate a different wording of the same content.